Il-plejer Brażiljan ta' Slimo Wanderers Mandinho fil-ground kien qed juri l-istess determinazzjoni u professjonalità li dejjem wara. Iżda ftit jafu li lil mill-lajn fi tmiem l-istaġuni li għadu kif intemm kien għaddej minn burraxka wara l-oħra. Waqt li kien f'pajjiżna lura fil-Brażil l-ewwel tilef lil nantu imbagħad skoprew li ommu kienet marida serjament b'kanċer.
Actually, the end of last season was hard. My family got the news about my mom, and we had to decide what to do. She was ill. When I was playing and when I was training, it was taking me out from my personal problems, and it was great.
Mandinho ma qal lil ħadd ma rridx li bis-sitwazzjoni personali tiegħu jaffettwa d-deċiżjonijiet tad-diriġenza teknika.
But I didn't want my personal situation to influence in either I play or not play, or if I make a mistake that people feel sorry about. That is not the point. As soon as you step on the field, you have to perform, regardless what is happening outside. If you are not ready to play, you don't go. It's simple like that for me.
Mid-determinazzjoni tiegħu ittieħdet ukoll bintu li bdiet issegwih daqs l-aqwa supporter ta' Slimo Wanderers.
She started becoming a Slimo fan. She started enjoying it. We had at her school there was a football day. They came with Italian shirts. She wanted to go with Slimo shirts. She didn't want to go with national team shirt. So it was very positive for me to see my daughter start to love football because of the environment that she was, and also because of myself. It was good for me that she saw me winning something or performing in a bigger stage, and that was I think every father would be very proud of.
Il-messaġġ ta' Mandinho huwa wieħed ta' kuraġġ lil min bħalu bħalissa għaddej minn mumenti diffiċli.
Someone is struggling, even in Slimo there was other people struggling with the same problem as mine. Try to find motivation in the positive people, try to get around good people, because this is what push you forward. It's like a snowball. If you get negativity around you, you will start to be negative. There is always a way to turn the game.
Wara l-intemm l-istaġun Mandinho issa se jingħaqad mal-familja tiegħu fil-Brażil waqt li l-aġenti tiegħu jkomplu bit-tfittxija għal klabb li jmiss jilgħab miegħu. Dan hekk kif il-kuntratt ma' Slimo Wanderers issa ġie fit-tmiemu.